Hey everyone, here we are again. I'm going to share today the treatment of a very hard cough, yung ubong matigas, and in a very cheapest way, a herbal medicine. Here is our ingredients. Linisan lang natin to. The first ingredients that we have is the what do you call this? Ampalaya leaves. Those who don't know what is ampalaya, I don't know if you have this in other countries outside of the Philippines. This is the ampalaya. I don't know what is the English, or this is already the English of the ampalaya. I don't know the name of the other in the other places in the Philippines. Because we have a lot of plenty of dialects we're using. So I don't know to the other places what they call this in their place. But in as what I know, this is ampalaya in English as well. And in Tagalog, ampalaya pa rin. And we're not going to use this. I'm just showing you the where the leaves came from. This one, this is the leaves of the ampalaya. And the next one is another ingredient is sugar. But this is the optional. If you don't have the best thing is the honey bee. But if we don't have honey bee, just use brown sugar. Brown sugar will do. Okay na to. And then this one, the banana leaves. But if you don't have banana leaves in your place or wherever you are, just use a fluid. We will going to grill this one. Okay. And the calamansi. And the next one is the calamansi. You already know what is calamansi. This is the calamansi. Or you may use lemon. At least 1 spoonful lemon. And the juice. Now what we have to do is we will going to get the leaves. Here, just use a handful of leaves of the ampalaya. And you have to wrap it with the leaves of banana. Or if you don't have the banana leaves, use the foil. We have to grill it. I mean, you understand. Yan, ibahin natin to. Ba't kalamansi into half. Just one, huh? Only one. And then one brown sugar. Brown sugar. Well, we don't have a honeybee, so optional. Brown sugar. One spoonful of brown sugar. Then stir it. Anti-COVID, anti-virus, and this is also good for those people who have an asthma or people who are asthmatic. You can drink it this way, like this. Inumin ko na. So, prevent me to coughing. There we go. Matamis. It's sweet, bitter, and mixture of sweet, bitter, and sour. But it's good. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. Keep safe and have a blessed day to all of you. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank you. Follow or wait for my next videos. And keep on watching. Thank you very much.